A one-day workshop on improvement in IT skills and job opportunities was organized at Wise College in collaboration with Arham Soft Private Limited and Wise Education Society. A large number of students attended the workshop. Renowned expert in cloud storage and infrastructure, Nouman Rafiq, and senior blockchain developer and motivational speaker Danish Hameed shared their ideas with the students. World cloud storage expert Nouman Rafiq said in his lecture that Allah has bestowed everyone with some special talent, and the students should realize their respective talent and hone it with hard work. The cloud storage expert advised the students to frequently visit the websites of IT-based multinational companies, including Google, to keep themselves abreast of the market demands. He said that the multinational companies are looking for experts, and one has only to be competent enough to meet their criteria. Senior blockchain developer Mr. Danish Hameed said that at present, IT sector is the easiest and dignified source of employment. He urged the students to become expert in their respective fields to the extent that they could finish a 2-hour project in 10 minutes. He advised them to benefit from each other's experience by accomplishing their assignments as groups. He said sharing enhances knowledge as well as makes one perfect in the subject. On behalf of the Wise Education Society, Wise College CEO Mrs. Hamida Tariq welcomed Mr. Nouman Rafiq and Mr. Danish Hameed on their visit of the college. She highlighted the need for training by the successful IT experts of students from poor family backgrounds so that they may find jobs in the market. She said mutual help could pave the way for making Pakistan free from poverty and unemployment. The training workshop was also attended by Faisal Babri, Mrs. Shahida Naim, Faiza Malik and Leena Munir. They thanked Mr. Nouman Rafiq and Mr. Danish Hameed for delivering motivational lectures for the benefit of the college students.